there, kids! I'm Duffy the dog, and today we're going to learn about short and long vowels. These are our vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Vowels make special sounds in words, and today we'll talk about short and long sounds they make. Imagine vowels like roads. Some vowels have short sounds, like the quick trip down a short road. And others have long sounds, like taking a longer trip down a long road. Let's start with short vowels. E, O, U. When a vowel says its short sound, it's quick, like the sound in
cat, bed, kid, top, cup.
Long vowels say A, E, I, O, U. For example, the A in cake says its name A. Can you try saying cake with me? C-A-K-E, cake? This is because of the letter E at the end of the word. The letter E at the end of the word makes the vowel say its name. Awesome! Long vowels take a longer time to say their names, just like in the words bee, kite, bone, fume. So, to recap, short vowels are quick like in cat, and long vowels say their names like in cake. Understanding these sounds helps us read and spell words better. Thanks for learning with me today, friends. Keep practicing your short and long vowels by clicking the links below to access educational resources. Subscribe and hit the like button for more educational videos.